So that's why they rebooked us. They rebooked us for tomorrow. But I said, no, I'm not having that.
That would have been a waste. Then you would have been here for a day.
Just for a day, exactly. That's why I won't have it.
That's what I originally thought.
Hi,
Say hi to the
Jordan.
camera.
Say hello. Say hello. Say hello to the camera.
Still Katie.
Say hello to the camera.
Ooh, what's that?
Lincoln, say hello to my camera.
Hi.
Okay. Come on then, let's go. So, where are we going now? Oh, we're gonna go inside, aren't we? Oh, dito na kami, pupunta kami sa Cloud9 Garden by the Bay. Okay, let's go. One of the dome. One of the main attraction ng dito kami ngayon, oh. Yung isa sa cloud. Oh my word. Yan ang Grabe. There's a waterfalls inside the dome. How cool is that? Yeah. Oh, kaming apat. All of us, even Jen. Puro kami first timer dito eh. Puro kami turista dito eh. Turistang mga hilaw. Do you know how long we took us to get to the airport? To our hotel? Because we commute, innit?
No,
Jesus Christ. We don't even know where we were going. It's nice. At least it's cool in here. You're right. Yeah. Where's the bird, Lincoln? Show me. Lincoln, point it. Where's the bird? Yeah, it is. Tao dito. Come on, let's go. Let's keep looking.
Wow. Congratulations.
Talagang mawawala itong screen to save battery. Ay, ito. Meron yan, oh, look. Ang lakas ng amoy ng mga to.
Mamaya pang gabi.
Well, ask Mark. Ah, wala pa. Iba pala yan, charger niya. Sa atin. Nakikita na maliit yan eh. Yan ang amazing dito. Oh. Ano yung nakibi? Oh. Hindi ako pe...
Oh, yes. Oh my God.
I'm thirsty.
These drinks.
So are you gonna drink inside?
Yeah, that's what that's what I said to you. I'm thirsty. This is like the flower.
Making a video of you.
That's like
For my reels.
that's like the flower in Hawaii, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty.
Dear visitors, please be reminded that eating and drinking is not allowed in our conservatory. Kindly also
Jane,
do not touch our
Jane,
plants and
do you know her? Have you met her before?
Oh my gosh!
We met in the
We met
Philippines
in Manila. Like
Okay.
ages ago.
nung hindi pa siya nagsasalita.
What the heck?
Hindi talaga siya nagsasalita. You know
You
why?
kept trying to tell me to talk in Tagalog.
That's why. Oh, look at that! Wow! Whoa! I want to ride that spider. Right. Oh. Do you know your Tito Mark? They're gonna stay in that hotel. They're gonna be sleeping on that edge on the roof. Oh wow! Whoa! Yeah. Cool. Yeah, he's really pretty. Yeah, you're right. Where's mommy? Where's Lincoln? Where's daddy? Are they with us? Or they've gone? I think they've gone already. Where? Oh yeah, it's there. You're not going with mommy? Mommy's gone. Go. Go over there. Go with mommy. Call mommy. Jay. Jay. Are you sure this is Jay? Where's Jordan? Yes, I like it. I like it. Do your thingy. Nana, yung mga kung ano-ano mga rubbish. Just do anything. Yes. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, now it's going down. Going down time. Di pa naman daw makikita namin dito sa baba. And lakad. Lakad. Oh. Hello everybody. You know, ito ang view namin sa sa hotel namin. Ito yung view namin sa hotel namin ha. Paglabas mo sa hotel, ito kaagad ang view namin. Oh. Saka makakita ng ganyang view. Ha. Ngayon naman, nandito kami sa Flower Dome. Ano ito ha? Unique place. Flower Dome. Puro flowers daw. Mga unique flowers ng Singapore. Another, if you look at it, another greenhouse. Big greenhouse.
Oh, sorry.
The power put.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Mom!
Happy birthday. Natakpan na kami.
Boom!
Kita.
Tinakpan ko ba kayo?
Nakpan mo kami. Paano kami makikita? We can take a picture of him holding the cake. Let's take a picture of him.
Oh my God. Can you call that man? Tell him to come back. Do it again.
vlog, nakalimutan.
Hey, Mel, can you call that man to do it again? Because I forgot to put it on my thing. Oh, look at my boy. My boy's got a new birthday cake.
It's a complimentary cake for the birthday boy.
Oh my god.
Okay.
And
oh,
it's got letter.
sasabihin.
That's sad. Okay. Sarap.
Oh.
Oh, nandito pala kami sa Telok Ayer. Isang station dito. Oh. Meron kami pupuntahan, hindi ko pa alam kung saan. Okay. Tapos meron kami turista rito, bumili switch. Kamusta ka naman siya? Hi Mel. Kami ngayon sa Satay Street. Where are they? Where are they? Oh my god, itong lugar na to. Dami palang pumupunta dito. Uy. No, sorry, I'm already there. I'm already there.
Order with me, ma'am. Uncle, shall we get this? It's 25 sticks chicken, 25 beef, and 15 prawns. How many person, ma'am?
Ito, yan. Okay. Happy, okay. Hintayin na lang namin maluto. Ito ang Satay Street. Okay. Maraming pumupunta rito. Okay. Daming tao. Oh. Everywhere you go, puro tao. Grabe. Ito ang tinatawag na street food. Oh well, food hall pala. Okay. Alam ko na ang kukunin ko. This is our birthday feast today. Oh, look at that. You know. Sama ka na. You see, this is what happens if you have a birthday feast. That's what's left. Only the heads. Ayun lang ang hindi umubos ng pagkain, ayun.